Okay, so this is meant as an introduction because I'm starting to record sort of tutorials on OpenGL, specifically in Linux to start with, but maybe other platforms as well. And I just want to say that I recommend this resource here, learnopengl.com. I have no affiliation with them, but this is a fantastic resource. I've certainly never found anything quite as good. Online you have to be careful because you'll find some really outdated sources on OpenGL out there. So do keep that in mind. And yeah, I would recommend this definitely above the videos that I'm going to be making. But the reason I'm making videos is sometimes it's best to have a resource like this, use it, and then also have access to videos, because you can kind of watch videos when you're feeling a little more lazy. That's my opinion anyway. But yeah, there's tons of great content here, great explanations, and yeah, I'm using this surf browser. Okay, I definitely recommend it. I definitely recommend checking it out. There's a ton of detail, and my videos are kind of meant to be for the lazy person because OpenGL is not for the lazy person. So do read this stuff, but hopefully my videos can offer something of added value, I guess. Somebody explaining it to you in that format, video format. So anyway, just wanted to say that I would recommend this resource here. A lot of the code that I use will be kind of borrowed from here anyway. So first video I do is making a window. Second one is drawing a triangle, although it was pretty long. But I started explaining some of the kind of transformations and camera stuff, and yeah, this kind of positioning stuff and matrices. So that kind of complicated content is not all just in one video, kind of spreading it out, try to make it a little bit easier. But yeah, the videos are not that great. I hope to make them better in the future, or provide better help for people in the future anyway. That's about it for now. Hope you enjoy them, and that's it. Learning OpenGL is great. So that wasn't it, I guess I have more to say. First you make a triangle, but that triangle is like getting the keys to a car, or getting the keys to your first car. It starts out very simple, but it opens a whole world of possibilities. So do not be discouraged by how much work it takes to just get a triangle going. That is the hardest part, seriously. Getting your first triangle on the screen is the hardest part in OpenGL. So that actually is it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, blah, 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 if you can. And peace. Thanks. Always gotta wait a little bit because this doesn't always finish in time. Okay.